Deputy Commissioner of Imphal West, T.H. Kiran Kumar, has issued instructions for all GI seat stores in Imphal West to remain open even on holidays and Sunday. This directive comes in response to a surge in demand for roofing materials, including GCI roofing, following the extensive damage caused by massive hailstorm to numerous properties, including houses. The aim is to ensure accessibility for families affected by the disaster. In the order, the DC further directed the stores to affix the prices, stock position, brand, thickness of the GI seat outside their shops for general awareness. The DC also directed the stores to reduce the rates of materials wherever possible, aligning them with the rates of April 30th. Additionally, the order restricted bulk purchase of GI seat by private parties. The directive specified that GI seats should only be sold to the hailstorm-affected family and advised to record the details of the sales. Furthermore, all representatives of the District Supply Officer, CAF and PD Imphal West and SP Imphal West have been instructed to monitor the operations of stores.